Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you add your address into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application. And now after opening the Bitget application, you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into there, you just simply have to select your profile at very first. Now after selecting the profile, you will get to see this option of identity verification. Just simply tap into ID verification, and now you just simply have to tap into verify, and after that allow the camera permission, and now you just simply have to select your country of residence into here, and this way you can easily select your address from verification center into your Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.